Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekayam Chimthanawala. Today I will discuss one of the very commonly indicated female remedies. But how did I reach that remedy was very important. A very simple symptom which the patient told me which helped me to reach that remedy. The lady came to me and she was suffering from leukorrhea. Now, first thing when I asked her about leukorrhea, so she said, sir, this has been long time that I was suffering from leukorrhea. I have taken a lot of treatment, but there is no result. So I started asking her about the symptoms of leukorrhea, and she gave me a lot of symptoms which were very common to leukorrhea symptoms. I said, something more you have to say. So she immediately answered me one thing. Okay, sir, the day I don't sleep, the day I have sleepless nights, the day my sleep is disturbed, at that time my leukorrhea is more. Of such a beautiful, very important indication of that remedy, and immediately that remedy struck my mind. It is beautifully written in a Mater Medica, leukorrhea after sleeplessness. जब भी आपको नींद नहीं आती है और वाइट डिस्चार्ज का प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है, then that remedy has to come in your mind. Then I also asked her further, and she said sometimes it happens that there is no menses, instead there is leukorrhea. Now leukorrhea instead of menses, there are many of remedies, but leukorrhea from sleeplessness, there is only one remedy, and that you might have guessed. Now let's see other symptoms of that remedy also in female troubles, so that you are very well versed with that remedy. Sometimes what happens that the menses are absent after the patient takes cold. Matlab, at the time of menses, 2 days prior, the patient suffers from violent cough and coryza. She gets influenza, running nose, running of the eyes, hay fever type symptoms because of cold. Then also you must think about that remedy. Of course, there are many of remedies in at least 3-4 remedies you must think about in these complaints. Belly spur, a very rare remedy, but it has that indication. Second, Kaju Puttam. Kaju Puttam again a very rare remedy, but it has this symptom of menses absent or amenorrhea, colds after taking cold. Third remedy, Simesifuga, and fourth remedy, Sinusioris. These 4 remedies have the symptom that menses absent, amenorrhea after taking cold. Belly spur, I know you must never have tried this. Kaju Puttam, you must never have thought of. Of course, Simesifuga and Sinusioris you might have thought of, but it has this symptom. Next symptom, menses are too early, sometimes 2 days, 7 days, but it is with dropsy. There is swelling of the body. This dropsy symptom is important in this remedy. Menses are sometimes prolonged, 8 days, 9 days, the menses continues and the patient becomes weak. Is indication of this remedy. What remedy I am talking about is Senesio. Sinusioris has this beautiful symptoms. Menses too early, 2 days, 7 days with dropsy. Second, menses prolonged. It prolongs for 8 days, 9 days. Most important symptom, leukorrhea instead of menses, and leukorrhea from sleeplessness. This sleeplessness symptom from leukorrhea because of sleeplessness is a very important symptom of Sinusioris. With this, I would like to add few symptoms more of Sinusioris which I have seen in my practice, and that is menses suppressed in young girls. Young girls, 15-16 years of age, menses started, it runs forward 5 to 6 months, then suddenly becomes suppressed for no reason, and then they take a lot of hormonal treatment, a lot of other treatments, but there are no menses. In this indication also Sinusioris is indicated, that is menses suppressed in young girls and metorrhagia of bright red color. If the lady is suffering from metorrhagia, the blood is bright red. To add few symptoms of Sinusioris, you must remember a very important symptom of Sinusio in mind, that is elements from homesickness. In homeopathy, it is very important to probe the mind, even though the remedies very rarely indicate. In Sinusio, you must remember it suffers from from homesickness. You might have never thought about this. We normally think of other polycrest remedies, but Senecio auris gets off of mind because we never think of this remedy for mind condition. In fact, Senecio auris has a very, very important indication, one more in mind, that is aversion to family members. See, aversion to family members is also a very, very important indication of Senecio auris mind. Two symptoms I have told you about mind: elements from homesickness, and second, aversion to family members. Write down the third symptom also, a very, very important dream Senecio auris has, and that is adventurous dreams. The patient will tell him, come Dr. Sahab, I feel as if I am climbing a mountain, I am rappelling, I am doing jumping, long skipping, I am going in the jungle, I'm doing mountain climbing, adventures. A very important remedy, Senecio auris, adventurous dreams. So whenever you are taking case taking, you must sometimes, most times, ask about the mind symptoms also. Even though you feel that you have got this drug Senecio auris because the mental symptoms are matching, but in that case also I definitely ask few symptoms of the mind, because that makes the prescription constitutional. Even though Senecio is not a constitutional medicine, but if the symptoms correspond, the mental symptoms and the mind correspond, it can cure or it can do miracles in disease which you have never thought of. So in a nutshell, you must remember Senecio auris, that is elements from homesickness, aversion to family members, dreams adventurous, leukorrhea from sleeplessness, leukorrhea instead of menses, menses suppressed in young girls, menses prolonged 8 days, 9 days, meteorrhagia with bright red blood, and menses too early, 2 days, 7 days with dropsy. This is a whole, I feel, nutshell of Senecio auris. You must remember, because this makes the remedy a very important remedy for prescribing on mind symptoms also and female symptoms also. So my friends, a very important remedy today we have taken regarding the mind symptoms of Senecio. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.